Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Now that we've laid the foundation, let's take a closer look at the diesel engines that revolutionized American trucks. From increased torque to fuel efficiency, these engines have had a major impact on the trucking industry. Let's break it all down. Acceleration and speed. Analyze the acceleration and speed of diesel engines in American trucks. While diesel engines are not typically known for their speed, they can still accelerate quickly and maintain high speeds on the highway. In fact, some diesel engines can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds. However, their top speed is often limited by the truck's gearing and axle ratio. For example, a diesel engine may be able to maintain a high speed on the highway, but it may not be able to accelerate as quickly as a gasoline engine. Here are some key factors that affect acceleration and speed. Engine horsepower and torque. Transmission type and gearing. Axle ratio and wheel size. Vehicle weight and aerodynamics. What do you think is more important, acceleration or towing capacity? Do you prioritize speed or power when it comes to your truck? Maintenance and repair of diesel engines. Diesel engines in American trucks require regular maintenance to run smoothly and efficiently. What happens when you neglect maintenance? You can expect decreased performance, reduced fuel efficiency, and increased repair costs. Regular maintenance is key to preventing common issues and costly repairs. To keep your diesel engine in top shape, you need to stay on top of maintenance. This includes routine checks, scheduled servicing, and prompt repairs. But what are the most common issues that can arise? Common issues in repairs. Identify common issues in repairs for diesel engines in American trucks. Some common issues with diesel engines include fuel system problems, overheating, and worn-out parts. These issues can be caused by a variety of factors, such as poor maintenance, low-quality fuel, or high mileage. For example, a faulty fuel injector can cause poor engine performance, while a leaky coolant system can lead to overheating. Here are some common issues in repairs. Fuel system problems, clogged fuel filters, faulty fuel injectors, and fuel pump failure. Overheating, coolant leaks, faulty thermostats, and malfunctioning cooling fans. Worn-out parts, brake pads, tires, and belts. What can you do to prevent these issues? Regular maintenance is key. This includes checking and replacing fuel filters regularly, inspecting and replacing brake pads and tires as needed, monitoring coolant levels and checking for leaks. By staying on top of maintenance, you can prevent common issues and reduce repair costs. Maintenance schedules and costs. Explain the recommended maintenance schedules and estimated costs for diesel engines in American trucks. To keep your diesel engine running smoothly, you need to follow a regular maintenance schedule. This includes routine servicing, such as oil changes and tire rotations, as well as more extensive repairs, such as fuel system overhauls and engine rebuilds. But what can you expect to pay for maintenance and repairs? The cost of maintenance and repairs can vary depending on the type of truck, the age and condition of the engine, and the location where you have the work done. Here are some estimated costs. Routine servicing, $500 $1,000 per year. Fuel system overhauls, $1,000 $3,000. Engine rebuilds, $5,000 $10,000. What can you do to reduce maintenance costs? Consider the following. Buy a maintenance package or contract. Keep track of your maintenance records. Shop around for the best prices. By following a regular maintenance schedule and being proactive about repairs, you can reduce costs and keep your diesel engine running smoothly. What's your maintenance strategy? Future of diesel engines in American trucks. As we look to the future, it's clear that diesel engines will continue to play a significant role in American trucks. But what advancements and challenges can we expect? Will diesel engines remain the dominant choice for truck owners, or will alternative fuels and technologies gain traction? One thing is certain: the future of diesel engines will be shaped by emerging technologies and trends, as well as regulatory and environmental considerations. Emerging technologies and trends. New technologies are being developed to improve the efficiency and performance of diesel engines. For example, advanced fuel injection systems and exhaust gas recirculation systems can reduce emissions and improve fuel efficiency. Other trends, such as electrification and hybridization, may also play a role in shaping the future of diesel engines. We can expect to see more diesel-electric hybrid trucks on the road, which combine a diesel engine with an electric motor to improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. What do you think about the potential of hybrid trucks? Some emerging technologies to watch include homogeneous charge compression ignition engines, which can improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. Advanced materials and designs, which can reduce weight and improve performance. Alternative fuels, such as biodiesel and renewable diesel, which can reduce dependence on fossil fuels. What other technologies do you think will shape the future of diesel engines? Regulatory and environmental considerations. Regulatory and environmental considerations will also play a significant role in shaping the future of diesel engines. For example, emission standards will continue to tighten, requiring diesel engines to produce fewer pollutants. Additionally, fuel efficiency standards will drive the development of more efficient diesel engines. We can expect to see more stringent regulations on emissions and fuel efficiency, which will challenge manufacturers to develop cleaner and more efficient diesel engines. How do you think manufacturers will respond to these challenges? Some key regulatory and environmental considerations include emission standards, such as those set by the Environmental Protection Agency. Fuel efficiency standards, such as those set by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. Alternative fuel standards, such as those set by the Renewable Fuel Standard Program. What do you think is the most important regulatory or environmental consideration for the future of diesel engines? Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.